After a wonderful darshan at Mookambika temple, we started the journey to our next destination, Murudeshwar. September 13th, Sunday morning, 9 am. It is around 490 kilometers from Bangalore and 133 kilometers from Kollur. Murudeshwar is a town in Uttara Kannada district in Karnataka. It is around 11 am. We stopped for having a tea break near to Murudeshwara. Two kilometers drive from this entrance. It is believed that Lord Shiva had given the Atmalinga to Ravan as a gift for his penance, which sits originally in the heart of Shiva. Karnataka is believed to contain Lord Shiva's Panchakshetra, and Murudeshwar temple is one of the Panchakshetra of the state, and the four other being Dharmasthala, Nanjangod, Gokarna and Dhareshwara. The most highlight of the temple is the huge statue of Lord Shiva, which has been built such that the rays of the sun first fall on the Shiva statue. Roads are not so great due to rain and some construction works. We are almost there. The huge Gopuram at the entrance is believed to be the second tallest of all the Gopurams in the world and has a height of 237.5 feet, while the tallest Gopuram is located at Srirangam Temple in Tamil Nadu. paid 20 rupees parking fees and entered. Went to the top and parked the car. The origin of the name Murudeshwar dates to the time of Ramayana. Ravana worshipped Shiva with devotion. Pleased by his prayers, Shiva appeared before him and asked him what he wanted. Ravana asked for the Atmalinga. Shiva agreed to give him the boon on the condition that it should never be placed on the ground before he reaches Linga. If the Atmalinga was ever placed on the ground, it would be impossible to move it. Having obtained his boon, Ravana started back on his journey to Lanka. Lord Vishnu, who came to know this incident, approached Ganesha and requested him to prevent the Atmalinga from reaching Lanka. Ganesha knew that Ravana was a very devoted person who performed prayer rituals every evening without fail. He decided to make use of this fact and came up with a plan to confiscate the Atmalinga from Ravana. As Ravana was nearing Gokarna, Vishnu blotted out the sun to give the appearance of dusk. Ravana now had to perform his evening rituals, but was worried because with the Atmalinga in his hands, he would not be able to do his rituals. At this time, Ganesha appeared as a Brahmin boy, accosted him. Ravana requested him to hold the Atmalinga until he performed his rituals and asked him not to place it on the ground. Ganesha struck a deal with him, saying that he would call Ravana thrice, and if Ravana did not return within that time, he would place the Atmalinga on the ground. Ravana returned to find that Ganesha had already placed the Atmalinga on the ground. Vishnu then removed his illusion and it was daylight again. Ravana, realizing that he had been tricked, tried to uproot and destroy the Linga. Due to the force exerted by Ravana, some pieces were scattered. Finally, he threw the cloth covering the Atmalinga to a place called Mrideshwar in Kantuka Hill. Mrideshwar has been renamed to Murudeshwar. We are in the beach now. Murudeshwar beach is a beautiful beach situated near to the temple. Nanda started picking seashells from the shore. This is a clean beach surrounded by the hills and the wide Arabian Sea on the west. Time is 12:45. We continued our journey to our next destination, Jog Falls. Thank you for watching.